We are living in an exciting time of human exploration. For the first time since 1972, NASA is sending humans to the moon with mission Artemis. And unlike the Apollo era, Artemis astronauts will work to establish permanent bases on the moon, using the knowledge and experience we gain there to pave the way for the human exploration of Mars. The Artemis program relies on the powerful Space Launch System, or SLS, and the Orion spacecraft, which will transport astronauts to the Deep Space Gateway in lunar orbit. The astronauts will then transfer from this lunar outpost to the Human Landing System, or HLS, which will then deliver them to the surface of the moon. We at the South Texas Astronomical Society have teamed up with NASA for an exciting project called Generation Artemis. Our goal is to connect the Rio Grande Valley community with this incredible endeavor carried out by NASA and their partners like Blue Origin and SpaceX. Last summer, we hosted a series of Artemis summer camps where students learned about each component of the mission through hands-on STEM activities. And now you'll have the chance to do those activities with your explorers as well. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery with Generation Artemis. Let's ignite the spark of curiosity and explore the future of space together.
In this activity, students will design their own space station module using raw spaghetti noodles. Students will learn that space modules must be sturdy enough to withstand conditions in space by understanding the relationship between mass and weight. The spaghetti model must dock onto a cardboard tube without making contact while weights are placed over the structure to test durability. The materials needed for this activity are a mandated amount of spaghetti noodles, we can suggest 30 per student, cardboard tubes, which could be repurposed toilet paper rolls, washers for mass weight, low temperature glue gun and sticks, paper and pencil, metric scale, and index cards. All materials are subject to customization based on availability and challenge level. For example, you can limit the glue sticks allowed, you can allow safety scissors for even spaghetti cutting, or you can even introduce a size restriction for the models. Students will be given time to sketch out their designs. Encourage creativity and remind them of functionality. Think about weight distribution. Once models are done, dock them onto the cardboard tubing, making sure the spaghetti structure is not making contact with the cardboard tube. You can place an index card over the top surface to hold the weights. Begin lowering the washers onto the structure and take note of how much weight is being held. You can set a goal for washer capability, or you can simply declare a winner by which structure withstands more weight. Challenge yourself to add as many washers as you can. Remember to have fun and think like an engineer.